In her damages trial against Donald Trump, Agent Carroll is scheduled to present closing arguments on Friday morning. It is anticipated that she will want a sum above $10 million, citing the former president's numerous defamatory remarks about her, including labeling her allegations of sexual abuse against him a con job. Trump, whose campaign spokesperson Stephen Chung informed NBC News, intends to attend the proceedings. Trump made his stand on Thursday for the second time since the start of his presidential re-election campaign. After Carroll made her accusations public in 2019, Trump said in a dramatic but brief hearing that he retaliated against her because he wanted to defend myself, my family, and frankly, the presidency. The comment was ordered to be removed from the record by U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan because it wasn't relevant to the question he was answering. Given that Trump had previously been found guilty of defaming Carroll, Kaplan had strictly limited what he could say while testifying. However, when questioned by his lawyer Alina Habba about whether he had made the remarks to support himself, Trump responded, "Yes. It's a bogus accusation in my opinion." Prior to Trump's testimony, the judge had made it clear that he would instruct the jury to disregard such statements before it started deliberating. The jury will be instructed to say regardless of what he says today, it did occur, and that is the law, Kaplan stated. Last year, a different jury found Trump guilty of defaming Carroll by labeling her a whack job and her claims to be a fraud, as well as of sexually abusing her in a department shop in New York during the 1990s. In the current action, which revolves upon identical comments Trump made about her in 2019, Kaplan utilized that verdict to find Trump accountable. The jury's only responsibility is to decide how much or how little the writer ought to be compensated. Carroll is requesting an unspecified amount in punitive damages to punish Trump for acting maliciously and to deter Trump and others from continuing to defame her, in addition to at least $10 million in compensatory damages for injury to her reputation, humiliation, and mental anguish in her public and private life. The jury was shown multiple instances of Trump's ongoing attacks on Carroll to media outlets and on social media since the other case's $5 million verdict was rendered last year on Thursday. The cost of restoring Carroll's reputation alone, according to an expert who testified on her side, is estimated to be between $7 million and $12 million. Carroll's team will also pursue additional damages for the emotional distress she has endured. Additionally, they'll probably ask for a significant sum in punitive damages, claiming that a sizable award is necessary to get Trump to stop disparaging her, as he has done repeatedly since the trial started on January 16. When the lawsuit was postponed on Monday due to COVID-related issues, Trump mentioned Carroll on his Truth Social page approximately 30 or so times. Carroll shouldn't receive any compensation, or at best a nominal amount, according to Trump's team, as he isn't to fault for the hate mail and threats of murder that Carroll received after his postings and mockeries. Roberta Kaplan, Carroll's lawyer, who is unrelated to the judge, has observed that a lot of the threats have repeated Trump's remarks about Carroll and implied that Carroll is at fault. Although Trump withdrew from testifying at the trial last year and did not attend, he has appeared in court virtually every day this time around. At the start of the week, a juror became unwell, and Habba informed the judge that she had been exposed to the coronavirus, resulting in a 3-day postponement of the trial. Her viral test results were negative,